Okay, Centrix, pick your admin item. 1, 2, or 3.
I think my favorite, my instinct is telling me to go with number 1.
Okay, bro, what do you mean your favorite weapon?
Whoa, chill. I meant my instinct, bro, not my favorite. I think you just have hero problems. Let's move on to the next one.
Now, Centrix, pick your chest. 1, 2, or 3.
I'm definitely gonna get the best one again, bro. You know why? Because I have the 6-7 luck, and the 6-7 luck is telling me to go ahead and go with number 3, bro.
Bro, how did you get the best one, bro?
Bro, 6-7 luck is real, bro. I told you 6-7 luck is real.
Nah, bro, the 6-7 luck is not real, bro.
It's real, bro. It's real.
And now, Centrix, pick your armor. 1, 2, or 3.
Because I'm gonna go ahead and pick number 3, bro.
Okay, yo, there's no way you got the best one.
I'm not cheating, bro. It's my luck. It's my 6-7 luck, bro. I told you.
Okay, buddy, sure. Finally, choose your weapon. 1, 2, or 3.
Ooh, something's just telling me. Oh, bro. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna I'm going random, bro. I'm definitely not cheating. I'm literally just gonna go random and go with number 3.
Okay, bro, I need that 6-7 luck because you literally got the best items out of every single pick. Okay, Centrix, now it's time for you to fight me.
Yeah, let's go, bro. This is gonna be easy. All right, so I'm gonna be fighting you with my OP ray gun. What are you gonna fight me with? A spear?
Bro, this has to be so unfair, bro.
Bro, this is gonna be the easiest fight of my life.